Hi everyone. Today we are at the Huawei Research Center based right here in Chengdu, one of 8 technical research bases all around China. The Chengdu Research Base is home to many advanced technologies and products, and today we're going to have a look at something that us Huaweiers like to call the super brain. Follow me. Here we are, the Intelligent Data Infrastructure Experience Center. Not bad from the outside, let's take a look at the inside. High-performance computing, or HPC, is influencing many industries and fields, from research into gravitational waves, dark matter, and the God particle, to oil and gas exploration, genome sequencing, and autonomous car development. We call it the superbrain because we can gather many answers to expand our horizons when we just can't see the connections. HPC comprises 3 components: compute, storage, and network. In the past, because data volumes were small, most IT development focused on compute and network technologies. However, in recent years, high-tech technologies have caused data to surge in various industries, especially from data-intensive applications like autonomous driving. This in turn has affected HPC, which is evolving from being compute-intensive to data-intensive. And that's why we have another name for HPC, High Performance Data Analytics, or HPDA. This significant change reveals the increasing importance of storage. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our next generation HPDA storage, the Huawei OceanStor Pacific series. Let me start with its newest member, the OceanStor Pacific 9950, a 5U high-density performance model that contains 8 independent storage nodes. Each node supports 10 NVMe SSDs like this. You may not have seen this before. This is our flagship product known as the half-palm SSD. In fact, Huawei leads the industrial standard formulation, and this is the first time it's been commercially used. In case you didn't know what it means, it gets its name from its compact design. It's half the size of your palm, very compact and very powerful. It is 60% longer and 37% thinner than a common 2.5-inch SSD, and its capacity reaches a huge 7.68 terabytes. Its cross-sectional area is reduced by nearly 70%, helping to maximize the utilization of chassis space. This SSD improves disk density, allowing a 5U height to now accommodate 80 disks. In terms of performance, one set of the OceanStor Pacific 9950 provides 165 gigabytes per second bandwidth and 2 million IOPS. This is thanks to its industry-leading PCIe 4.0 high-speed bandwidth, in combination with front and back-end 100 gigabits per second RDMA networks. Compared with peer vendor storage products with the highest performance density, this product provides 33% larger bandwidth and 60% more IOPS for every U of height. Now let's look at another high-density capacity model, the OceanStor Pacific 9550. The 9550 supports 123.5 SATA disks in a U5 space. A single product of 9550 can provide raw capacity of 1.68 PB, which is equivalent to 3,200 mobile phones, each with 512 gigabyte storage. What's more, a single 9550 can host almost the same amount of storage as 3 general-purpose high-density servers. There are 3 obstacles to increasing storage density. The first is fitting in more disks in a limited space. The second is providing those disks with adequate ventilation. And the third is creating a design for easy disk maintenance. This brings us to our next speed. Our chassis adopts an optimal design that places disks at the top and the main control board at the bottom. Directional drawer slides for easy maintenance on both sides, and flexible tank chains to connect the disks and the controller nodes. This design enables individual disk maintenance, allowing you to plug cables on the front and back panels to easily replace and maintain disks. This design delivers maximum stability with a 75% less center of gravity shift over the normal structure of one-way drawers, allowing you to replace a 9550 device anywhere in your cabinet and not worry about its management. Huawei uses a carbon fiber pad and VC heat spreader to improve the heat dissipation by 20% and cool the CPU by 11 degrees Celsius. 10 customized 80mm aviation standard counter-rotating fans form a wall to provide two air channels, one at the top for disks at the front and the other at the bottom for CPUs and disks at the back. These fans solve the heat dissipation problem by ventilating and cooling the devices. Another highlight to note is easy maintenance. In the event of a fault, you can replace all components non-disruptively and services can be taken over within seconds. What's more, data links can be switched over without interrupting ongoing services. The entire process is completed without data reconstruction, guaranteeing optimal user experience. In addition to dedicated high-density hardware, our HPC storage supports multi-protocol interworking and hybrid workloads. With an innovative architecture, Huawei HPC storage supports multi-protocol interworking. It allows multiple protocols such as file, HDFS, and object to access the same data without copying data, greatly improving analytical efficiency and storage utilization. Additionally, HPC storage provides each service complete semantics and lossless performance without the need to install any gateway or plugin, making it a unique design that separates us from other vendors. Huawei HPC storage provides the next-gen parallel file system OceanFS to intelligently identify application I/O sizes and use different mechanisms for small and large I/Os. This means that a single storage system can offer high bandwidth for large files and high ops for small files, eliminating performance silos while ensuring all scenario acceleration. Huawei OceanStor Pacific HPC storage is designed for hybrid workloads, providing a high-density design and multi-protocol interworking to accelerate the evolution from HPC to HPDA. It can help you unlock your data potential with extraordinary storage power. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching.